Welcome back to Her Haven. There are so many dishes you could cook with squash. One dish I like to cook and the kids will like it is stir-fry squash. I will first shred it down to smaller pieces. Start with vegetable oil. Throw in the garlic. Start frying that first. I am using ground beef. Cook the ground beef first and then add in the shredded squash.
Tao mà bây giờ mong chị bây bình nhả mua ở rau trốn nó sư tư sĩ cô mốt ký nó ô lì giám nó tao ha.
Stir it around to cook the squash with the ground beef. I like to add in oyster sauce, hoisin sauce. I also like to add in the black bean garlic sauce, as well as the sweet soy sauce. Keep stirring until it's cooked. You may have to add a little bit of water to make sure that the squash is well cooked. When it is cooked, I like to add in tomatoes at the end to add colors to the food. Voila, it is done. Look how yummy this looks. This is lunch for today.
Cho lô ya bố chị nhả nó tao trồi ya có mốt ký lên nó tới bố nhả cho con nó ha.
Look at this. It looks so yummy.
Dì cắn cơ lê lô. See you next time.